Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube live stream. I've not done in a while. I want to do this more. I'll try and do these once a month on YouTube. We used to do this once or twice a month or every other month. We used to have a lot of fun. So it's been crazy last couple of days, last couple of weeks with Bitcoin especially. Altcoins have been struggling quite a lot. If you watch my YouTube videos, you're aware of how I've been trading the markets. Bitcoin has been our main coin that we've been trading. We are starting to look at altcoins. Past couple of days were looking really good for altcoins. We took some trades in altcoins, and now we're waiting to see if it's going to hold, because if Bitcoin breaks out, we'll do some live trading as well. I've done live tradings before in Bitcoin. I do live trading in our educational group all the time. I go live 3 to 4 times a week. So I'm actually long Bitcoin. I'm looking for a breakout above. If you can see my alert, if it breaks out above, I'll take some live trades as well. We'll look at some altcoins, couple of trades I've taken. I'll share with you exactly how I've taken trades. I've taken losses as well on Wi-Fi. There's been 2 really good trades. I'll post them as well, other people's trades that we're taking. And yeah, let's have a really good live stream. Just want to give you guys an update on what the live stream is going to be about. We're going to look at Bitcoin. It will be interactive as well. Hopefully people join. I've not done one of these on YouTube for a while. I want to do these more, so let's have some good interaction. The last few ones I did, I think it was 2-3 months ago, I did one on YouTube. It was great interaction. I'll answer your question on trading. If you have questions on forex market, stock market, elections, whatever you have, let's have a really good live stream. I'll stay live for an hour or so. I meant to start at 7 o'clock. I wanted to go live a bit earlier, and yeah, let's have a really good live stream. So give me a couple of minutes to post all the social media, and then again, if you have any questions, just let me know. So I'm just posting in all the social media, then I shall get started. Yeah, good to see a few people watching today. Can you guys hear me well before I start talking for an hour and a half? Let me know if you guys can hear me well. Give it a thumbs up. Say hello. Don't be shy. Let's go on to the Bitcoin chart, because that's the main chart we're looking at. Awesome. Good to see Big Andre, Osama, Musab. So a few people. Hello guys. Have you guys got any favorite coins? What are you guys trading? Let me get the link. I'm just trying to YouTube. I'm not used to the YouTube platform. I mainly use the Facebook platform for my posts, so I'm just getting used to this platform a bit more. Have you guys got any coins that you're looking to trade? There you go. I've just posted on the Telegram group and posted in our Facebook group, and then we shall get started. Hello Veronica. Hello Jeff. VeChain. Yes, we'll have a look at VeChain. What's your favorite coin, guys? Which coin do you like the most? KNC is looking good. I posted a trade on KNC, a trade idea. I'll have a look at KNC for you, Andre. I'm just posting on my social medias. People can get notified, and then we can have a really good live stream. Do you like KNC fundamentally, or do you like KNC from a trading point of view? Right, all the social media are done. Apologies, I was meant to go live at 7, so I just wanted to go live a bit early so I can start talking. And if you have any trading questions, fundamentally, okay, it is a popular coin. KNC, it is a coin that I like. I need to do more research. Yeah, I'm more of a trader, Veronica. Fundamentally, it's hard to make money in cryptocurrency. It's easier to make money from trading. So let's have a look at KNC. A few people are asking about KNC. So Veronica and Andre is asking about KNC. So let's have a look at KNC. It gave a perfect, if you guys, I don't know if you've been following me, it gave a really nice 4-hour pullback and then carry on. Yeah, good, Veronica. Trading is what I like to do. It's a nice 50% 618 pullback after breakout. This is the basic of my trading strategy. So from a higher time frame though, it is rejecting of the daily moving average. Thank you, appreciate that, Veronica. So this is what I'm looking to do on KNC. KNC is finding resistance at the daily moving average. So what we want KNC to do is for Andre and Veronica, I mean, I'm showing you from my trading strategy. I'm happy to look at some news as well. Maybe if we have time, if people are interested, we'll see what the turnout is like. We can have a look at some, Google some projects, share with you how I do my research on projects as well, if you guys are interested. So yeah, what I want KNC to do is hold this support, put some higher lows in. If it's bullish, it needs to put in higher lows or at least hold this and then break out. If it breaks below this, I'm afraid this is just a little bit of a pump and then carrying on lower, unfortunately. And then maybe around the 3,000 Satoshi, 2,000 Satoshi is where I would look to buy KNC. Let's have a look at KNC USD. If you're trading against USD, yeah, USD as well, the next support level for me is around the 5 cent, 4 cent level. So if KNC dumps into this level, this is where you could buy. If you like it fundamentally long term, this is a level that you can look to buy, Andre. This is where I would look to buy buy some KNC. So let's get started now. I've shared on my social media. I'm gonna get started on the live stream now. So the way we do it is we always look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is king. Whatever Bitcoin do, the market follows. So Bitcoin is pushing higher. So if you guys watch my videos, let me show you the video where I talked about it. Buying Bitcoin. I'll just bring in another. So if you go watch my top 5 coins video, if you go watch my altcoin season video, the only coin I said the best coin to buy is Bitcoin. And guys, Bitcoin has been the only coin that's been going up. Other coins are not looking as bullish. So why would you look to buy altcoins when they're in a downtrend? The basic of my strategy is buy coins that are going up. If coins are not going up, why would you buy them? That's just a simple, very, very simple thing that you guys can learn. So if you guys, Barney, welcome mate. So if you guys learn one thing from this live stream, first thing I will say is risk management. Risk management is key. I can't emphasize how important risk management is. So if you're trading or investing your money, you need to protect your capital. If you're not protecting your capital, then you're going to lose money. Yeah, you can see people have made that mistake. So protecting your capital is the first thing. The second thing is following trend. If you look at this coin, again, if people are new, again, I'll do some educational bit as well. If people are new, the thing is, it's trending higher. So is the trend up or down? If you just guys comment, if the trend is up or down, you don't need to learn all this Fibonacci, moving average, candlestick. Just looking at this chart, do you think the price is going up or do you think the price is going down? Just comment up or down. I'll have a look at that again. We've got all live stream. I'm happy to look at any coin requests, fundamental analysis, personal questions, any questions you have. Just comment up or down. Do you think this is up or down? Yeah, that's very good because yes, it is up. It's very simple to see. And then the altcoins, if we look at some of the altcoins, is this up or down? This is very simple to see. We need to see. This is the first thing. If you're new to trading, just look at a chart and see if it's up or down. This coin is looking down and is going down. So we need to look at coins that are going up. That's a very, very simple thing to do. Again, Jeff, people are saying that if you're new to trading, before you learn anything, just look at a coin, go on the higher time frames, and I'll say, 4 hourly or daily. If you're new, don't look at a 5 minute time frame and start making money. The first thing I advise, our traders or new people that join my group is look at the higher time frame. If you're trading shorter time frame, you're not gonna, see how the market moves. You have to be patient and look to trade on the higher time frame. So if we look at this chart, this is going down. So this is not something we want to buy. Then you can use an indicator. This is an indicator I created for myself. You can use the indicators you can get on any other sites, RSI, MACD, whichever indicator you look to use. You can look to use them and see how they work. But those are the two things I wanted to share with you. Anyways, your eyes hurts looking at charts. I'm used to staring at charts all day. This is my job. I love staring at charts. So yeah, I don't really have that problem, Veronica. If you're a trader, one tip I can give you is turn your background black. If you have a white background, it's a lot harder on your eyes. So that's a little tip I can give people that have that problem. To anyone else have that problem? I don't know if anyone else have that problem. It might be just you, Veronica, that have that problem. Yeah, if your background's white, then it's difficult. So if turn it a darker background, you'll see it's a lot easier on the eyes if it's a darker background. So Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin has broken out of key levels. So let's do a high time frame analysis. I'll get a clean chart. I'm getting a bit distracted by all the comments. So on a higher time frame, guys, Bitcoin has broken out above $10,500. The last YouTube video I made, I talked about this $10,500. It broke out and is broken out above 13,000. So this is really bullish. We've not had a weekly close this high since January 2018, and the monthly close, if the month closes above 13.8k in November, that will be the highest monthly close we've ever had in Bitcoin. I don't know why, and it still doesn't feel like Bitcoin is going up that much. So I think Bitcoin can go up a lot higher. The next FOMO that we see, Bitcoin, in my opinion, will go a lot higher. We saw what prices Bitcoin was and how it's carrying on. So that's the higher time frame. It's all bullish. So long time frame, am I buying at these levels? No, I want a bigger pullback. Next level I'm looking to buy a lot of Bitcoin is around 12.5k to around 10.5k. This is a zone I would definitely look to buy Bitcoin. If Bitcoin comes into this level, I would look to buy a lot of Bitcoin, and for long-term holding as well. And if you guys are new, look to buy on the weekly moving average. Weekly moving average is a simple indicator that you can use. You can see previous weekly moving averages. It bounced from these weekly moving averages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. If it's a bull market and it's going to carry on going higher, it will go up from the weekly moving average. So I'm going to look to hold this level, see if we can push up. So the weekly moving average is a key indicator I'm going to have on my charts. So I'm giving you a higher time frame analysis. So people that are new, look at all your altcoins. I know you guys want to have a look at altcoins and make money from altcoins, but it's important to see what the higher time frame market is doing. So if we look at Bitcoin on the daily now, let's come into the daily time frame. Daily time frame is trying to break out again, and as I said here, guys, I actually bought this. If you go through my post, you'll see that I bought this Bitcoin when it was breaking out of there. I didn't know Bitcoin was going to break out of this level. This was big resistance. We bought it, so see if it carried on. If it's the same here, I could be wrong now if it doesn't break out. If Bitcoin, I'm looking at, if Bitcoin starts getting below 5,800, I usually put stops in there as well. I can show you how I'm trading it. if Bitcoin starts getting below 5,800, guys, I would look to exit. This is what I'm looking for. I don't want Bitcoin to get below 15,800. That's a key level I'm watching for Bitcoin to hold. I'm in a live trade, if you want to call it. A lot of people on YouTube talk about buying and selling and making money, but they don't talk about actually buying coins. I think I'm one of the only few YouTubers who shares the trade which coins I buy. Litecoin, this one I shared when I bought Cardano. If you go watch a few months ago, I did that live as well on YouTube. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin is in a shorter time frame above 15,800, it's bullish on the hourly 4-hourly time frame, the intraday time frame. If Bitcoin, and I use the moving average and these indicators to time my entry and candlestick pattern, but I use support and resistance, just look to buy. And then a daily time frame, as long as Bitcoin is above 15,000, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. So this is where I'm looking at. 15,000 is the next level I'd look to trade Bitcoin if I get stopped out now. And Zilliqa, yes, have we got more Zilliqa fans in the group? I will look at any coin people have requested. I'm just gonna do the Bitcoin bit because it's really important to understand what's going on with Bitcoin first. So what I have, it looks like Veronica is a Zilliqa fan. Darren's a Zilliqa fan. Yeah, we've got quite a few Zilliqa fans. Yeah, I'll definitely have a look at Zilliqa. Zilliqa is looking okay as well. It's fundamentally a good coin. It's a like. Wow, we got a few people that like Zilliqa. Okay, let me do Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is really important, and what I'm saying, guys, if Bitcoin starts breaking out again and starts getting hourly closes above 16.2, 16.4, I think Bitcoin will have another push up, and that will mean altcoins will have another leg down. I'm not sure if I think altcoins will. I was getting excited, I bought some altcoins, and I'll share with you the exact trades with stop loss where I bought, where I took profit. But I was getting interested in altcoins. But now if Bitcoin breaks out again, I'm going to wait. I was hoping Bitcoin will consolidate. If Bitcoin stays below 16,000 and 15,000, your Zilliqa, your VeChain, your ADA, they will all do very, very well. Especially ADA. ADA's got Goosen news, so I'm looking for ADA to break out above there. VeChain is even a better setup from a trading point of view. Zilliqa is okay, but I really like the VeChain setup. If you watch this video, I highly recommend you go watch this video. I am looking to buy VeChain if it can get back above 80, and I'll post it in the group exactly when I enter, but you guys know my strategy from watching the live stream. Let me finish off with Bitcoin, all my thoughts on Bitcoin. So that's the 15,000 is a very, very key zone. I'll look for Bitcoin to hold if I get stopped out on this trade that I'm in now. And the next one, the key time frame where I'll actually look to buy Bitcoin, because I was looking to buy Bitcoin if it pulled back into your 9,000, 8,000 level. It did not dump here, so I hodl Bitcoin. I actually hold Bitcoin because I love Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's gonna go a lot higher in the future, but I could not buy a hodling back Bitcoin. So the level I would look to buy Bitcoin could pull back from here. Bitcoin will have a pullback. We've not seen, how many weeks has this been green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days it's been green. Even during this crazy move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles, and then a dump. Even when we had a big move up, how many green candles did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even the altcoin season, the Bitcoin rally in 2017, the bubble, it only had 5 green candles. So there's going to be a red candle now. This is not the time to be buying. If Bitcoin, Bitcoin could dump from here, or it could come here and then dump. I'm going to look to buy here. If it goes below it, I'll take a loss, but I'm happy to buy Bitcoin there. And, I'm sharing with you exactly where I'm buying, and like other people. So are you guys enjoying this video? Just put a thumbs up or let me know what you guys are thinking. I want to make it interactive as well. I don't want to just speak for an hour and don't have interaction. If I get interest in this, I'll try to do this at least every other month, or at least once a month if people are interested. I do these live streams every 3 to 4 days in the group. When things are breaking out, we post. Awesome. Thank you, Daniel, Veronica. You guys have been really active. Darren, Manuel, really appreciate you guys. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. I will start looking at Zilliqa. Will be the next coin I look at. But I want to have a look at Ethereum, because Ethereum is my altcoin season indicator if you watch all my videos. And unfortunately, Ethereum BTC hasn't closed above that. Haven't closed above that red line. I really wanted Ethereum to close above that red line. If Ethereum closed above that red line, I would have looked to have bought Ethereum. Unfortunately, Ethereum did not do that, and I could not get it. I'm not getting too excited in altcoins. I thought if Ethereum broke out above there, I was gonna buy the altcoins again. I'll share with you some of the I will share with you altcoins that I'm looking to buy. XTZ, I've shared some signals exactly where I'm looking to buy and sell. Is it not on here? I don't know where my chart is. I thought it was here. XTZ, this is where I'm gonna look to buy. Basic Attention Token is a coin that I like. Theta is a coin that I like. I used to love Litecoin. I even spoke to their team. I was involved in the Litecoin project earlier. I really like that project. Not so much at the moment, but that was a project that I used to really support. So let me finish up with Ethereum. I'll look at all your coins. XTZ is a very good project, Daniel. It is a good project. So I was looking to buy Ethereum if it broke out here above 460, but as Ethereum BTC is not looking as good, I'm not too interested in Ethereum yet. Ethereum, if it comes into 2500, 2400, I think this could be the bottom, and then we have another rally in Ethereum, and that's when altcoins pump. Altcoin, the DeFi season, you can make money now. There are a couple of trades that I took. I think I posted 3 trades or 4 trades in the group. I took one loss in Wi-Fi. I'll share that with you, and I'll also share with you 2 big winners in Ren, in audio. Those are a couple of trades that I won. But when Ethereum is going up, you don't need me to make money. Any coin that you buy, Tezos, Zilliqa, Litecoin, they will all pump 50%, 60%. RSR is another fundamentally good coin. Let me know what's your favorite coin, Jay or Daniel? So yeah, this is one thing I'll be looking at, guys. And higher time frame, I'm massively bullish on Ethereum. I think Ethereum could head towards these highs if it starts. I bought about $400, so I'll share with you how I traded Ethereum, guys. I can even try to share with you where I bought Ethereum. Let me see if it comes up. VeChain, yeah, VeChain fundamentally is a really good coin. I'm not too sure about Digibyte. I've not done as much research, so I'm not saying that it's a bad coin, but I need to know more about it. So Ethereum, guys, I bought at 400 for the second time. As you can see, I posted it when I bought it as well. Ethereum, guys, when it broke above 400, I thought it was going to carry on. I bought some here. I got stopped out. I bought some again when it broke out above $400, and then it's rallied nicely. I sold half at 450. As long as it's above $400, I think it will go a lot higher, but I'm not buying any more until Ethereum BTC closes above 3,000 Satoshi. So that's the update I wanted to share. Now it's up to you guys to the next half an hour or so, any questions you have, I'm happy to answer them. Trading questions, crypto, blockchain, whatever you have. I'll start looking at Zilliqa. Lots of people seem to be fans of Zilliqa, so let's do a bit of analysis on Zilliqa. So Zilliqa, there was lots of staking news, and I was posting trades in Zilliqa, if you guys remember. Back here, this was the DeFi season, and you make more money in this sort of couple of weeks, couple of months than you can make throughout the year. And I've shared this with before. Real traders, the market has to give you money for you to make. Sometimes you can't make money if the market's not making money. So if the markets are going up, it's really easy to make money as long as you take profit. This is one of the first things I teach in my trading strategy: take profit, take profit, take profit. Lots of people I know bought Litecoin at $20, they rode it to 300, and then literally sold it at the bottom. The first thing that I teach when people join my trading group is risk management, taking profit, and psychology. Don't buy with emotions. Buy it when it's cheap. If you watch the live stream and my YouTube videos, the views are less now. When you'll see coins moving up, so if they put bottoming patterns in, which I'm looking for, you'll see loads of people joining, people talking about Zilliqa here. They'll talk about Chainlink at $50, $100, but they're not going to talk about it at $10. So try and thinking differently to what everyone else is thinking. That's one of the key tips I can give you. So Zilliqa, guys, this is when we were trading Zilliqa. Again, these were done live. If you go watch my videos, again, people that have been watching the stream from the start, if you guys remember, I talked about up or down, just really quick eyeball test. This is where it was going up. Again, I can teach you how to get in with entries and stop loss if you're interested and want to learn trading. But learn this from the live stream. Is it going up? Is it going down? Is it above my moving average or is it not? It was really nice trending environment. And if you bought this, I actually bought this as well. I bought this, I bought that, I bought this as well. And I got stopped out and I lost money on there. But as trading, same with Bitcoin, guys. I could lose this trade. Bitcoin might not do a fake out and I could lose this trade, but I made lots of money buying here. I made lots of money buying here. This pullback, there was a nice 1 hour pullback there. So trading, you need to be able to take risk as well. So again, I'm doing a bit of educational stuff as well because it's YouTube. I've not done one in a while. People might not be used to my strategy, so I'm doing this a bit. But then, guys, since that top, it's been just going down and down. Why is it bad to buy with emotions? What if I'm feeling really hopeful? Usually trading doesn't work like that. Trading, people get excited when the prices are really high. So if you guys remember Bitcoin, I can do a quick, let me get this chart up for you, Veronica. Stock market psychology, I think it is. I've showed this before. This is more of a beginner live stream. I can get into a lot more detail. So this is how the markets work, and this is for any market, whether it's crypto, whether it's whatever market it is. How can I make this bigger? Still not big, is it? This is annoying me. There we go. Anyways, let's just do this. So you can see the market psychology. Obina Nokora. Hi, my friend. Yeah, you can see the hopes of people. So Veronica, you can see people getting excited. They're thinking the market is going up. People have optimism. People have high belief. They have lots of thrill. I'll buy more when the margins. You've got to tell everyone to buy. Euphoria. I'm going to be rich. I'm genius. And then people, when they're happy, then the market makers, it's really horrible markets. They start selling. Then you think, oh, this is just a pullback. The price will continue going higher. I'll be able to have my holiday. I'll be able to, buy all the things that I want to buy. And then you see another pullback. Then you have anxiety, denial, panic, capitulation, you anger, and you sell, and then the price goes up again. And if we look at the BTC chart, so that chart has been around for years. If we study the Bitcoin chart, you'll see the same thing. Yeah, potentially, my friend, it could be. And I think disbelief is XRP. You'll see XRP will dump a lot lower. Then you'll see proper disbelief. So you can see this in Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin went up like crazy. People are saying, I'm going to be rich. I'm going to sell my house. I'm going to buy a Lamborghini and all this stuff. Went carried on higher, higher, higher. This is where people were excited and buying. And look at what happened. It dumped about 84%. And then what happened is actually back. So imagine people that sold Bitcoin at 4K. And now Bitcoin is almost near the highs at 16K. So just a bit of an educational piece for Veronica. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. So where was I? I was at Zilliqa, wasn't I? So Zilliqa, guys, is coming into this really good zone. I'm going to look to buy Zilliqa around this zone. Will I just buy here randomly? No. If it dumps, if we get a one big red candle here, so this is a disbelief sell. I call it a sell climax. If it does happen, then I could potentially buy at 62 Satoshi, 60, 70 Satoshi. But here, guys, if we see my pattern, buying pressure coming in, trends start going up, cup and handle again. Jay seems to know about trading. Cup and handle pattern, then we can look to trade it. This is where I'll look to get in, similar to this trade, similar to that trade. So these are some of the trades. This is what I'm looking at for Zilliqa. If we get that, I'll look to buy. If not, I'll wait. 4 hour is looking okay as long as it's above that red zone. If it gets back below, I won't be that interested in Zilliqa. So let's have a look at Zilliqa USD. I know you guys probably... Zilliqa USD is not looking good, not looking bad, sorry. But one thing I'll say to you guys is, if you want to ask for a trade signal, how to make money, I would say, if Zilliqa gets above there, gets a daily close and doesn't dump, I would buy Zilliqa above 3 cent. This would be a massive cup and handle, head and inverse head and shoulders, whatever you want to call it, and we'll see a big move up. So that would be my trade idea in Zilliqa. If not, you know, buy dollar cost average in, buy one at 0.001, buy one at 0.005. You know, those are some of the key zones. Buy one at 7.5. Those are some levels you can look to buy if you like Zilliqa long time frame. Those would be my buy areas if you guys are interested. So guys, if you guys are enjoying this live stream, guys, please smash that like button. If I get 100 likes, I'll do another live stream next week. So let me, you know, just help me out. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to, you know, I would like if you subscribe as well. You don't have to join my group or anything. It just show some love. I'd really appreciate if you can like this video. It really, you know, motivates me to do a lot more. So thank you guys. Yeah, please, a couple of people just click like as I'm saying it. So thank you very much, guys. It really means a lot to me. Few more likes, guys. You're spoiling me. I'm very gracious. 20, okay, that's not bad. 25 likes. Thank you, guys. It really means a lot to me. Lynn, thank you, Lynn. Appreciate it. Maybe 100 is too big of a name for a quick live stream. If I get to 50, I'll be happy. Got half an hour. See if we can get 50 more likes. Anyways, so that's my thoughts on Zilliqa. So if you like Zilliqa, that's where I look to buy. Again, you know, people can talk about fundamentals. If we have time, I can, you know, go on Google and, you know, we could Google Zilliqa and try to learn more about Zilliqa if people are interested at the end of the live stream. But that's my thoughts on Zilliqa, guys. What's the next coin shall I pick? Zilliqa was the most popular one. Everyone likes Zilliqa. Yeah, thanks, guys. Appreciate it. So I got a dislike. That's not nice. Why would you dislike? Well, I think I got a dislike because I had one like just went down. I don't know why people would dislike. So what's the next one we'll look at? Yeah, let's have a look at Cardano. There's a few people in the group that love Cardano, so I'm going to be sharing a trade signal in Cardano. And I'll have an alert set here. If it doesn't break out, I'm not going to buy. So again, I talked about going up or down. It needs to start going up for me to buy. If it doesn't get back above there, this is the plan that I shared. If it doesn't get back above, I'm not going to look to buy Cardano. I do like Cardano fundamentally, and this has been one of my main money makers. You know, people, you know, that are new guys, they think you have to trade every day, and people think if they join my group, I'll give trade signals, they'll buy and sell, they'll be, you know, retiring next day. That's not how trading works at all. You know, you have to wait for setups. The last trade I took in Cardano was around here, and around here I took a loss. And this was one of the biggest trades I took this year. I'd done this live on YouTube, and that's when my channel I don't want to say blow up because I'm a very small channel, around 10k subscribers, but we got lots of views because, you know, people made money from watching my channel. So this is at a zone where I'm looking to buy Cardano. If Cardano comes into this red zone, gives a setup that I shared, I'm going to look to buy Cardano BTC. And for Cardano USD, I want Cardano, you know, people want to buy it cheap, but when it's going in a downtrend, it can go a lot lower. So I want Cardano to stay above 10 cents. So if BTC breaks out and Cardano USD stays above 10 cents, this could be a nice accumulation in Cardano. And the way the markets work, again, an educational. So Big Andre, there's lots of books you can buy. You know, if you just Google technical analysis books, you can learn the basics of it. But I will say learn to actually trade. There's too much on the markets. There's lots of courses. Again, I will say you can check myself out. There's a offer to join us for $30 for a month. You can see if you like my course and strategy. But what I will say is just Google. There's lots of information. Learn about, you know, trend. So learn about the market structure. So I'll do a quick educational piece and then I'll ask you to go review. So look for markets that are going up and then they have accumulation up, and then distribution down, distribution down. This is how the market works. So go study charts, open up a trading view. You can't hear me. Can you guys hear me? Just comment a thumbs up or that you can hear me well. Or is there a sound issue? I don't want to talk for another half an hour and have sound issues. Just a thumbs up or a love that you can hear me. Love or just a thumbs up. I don't know why I said love. Okay, that's good. Yeah, you can hear me well. DVD rip. That made me chuckle. Ludicrous. Lynn. Okay, so Veronica, yeah, I like your name, by the way, Veronica. Daniel, that's good. So that's what I'm looking at Cardano. If it stays above 10 cent, I'll look to trade. Sorry, so let me do that quick market piece on what's his name? Big Andre asked about trading. So again, you can Google my friend, and I'll say, please don't buy expensive courses, expensive indicators that tells you, you're going to buy, you're going to make money. Please don't do that. That's a quick way of losing money. Learn the basics of moving average, learn the candlestick patterns, learn moving at support and resistance, price action, how the market works, so demand and supply. So how the market works, people get excited, then the market makers accumulate here, then it moves it up. Accumulation moves it up, then it's distribution. This is where market makers are selling, and then it starts moving down. So this is sort of a snapshot. I've got 7-hour video explaining all this. So that's my thoughts on Cardano. What's the next coin I shall look at? I think I saw XRP name come up. So moving average, comment below which coin you, no problem Veronica, comment below which coins you want me to look at next whilst I'm explaining Ludicrous's question. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing your name right, my friend. So what I'm looking at is 20 moving average is my red, and this is the main moving average I use. And it doesn't matter if you use 20, if you use 21. It's about understanding how the market moves, how the market reacts to your moving average. So, someone asked me about a course and, how to learn. It's really about learning yourself, seeing how the market works. Is it going up? Is it going down? If you, want someone to spoon feed you, you're not going to make it in the markets. It takes 3 to 4 years. You have to study it. People to become a doctor, it takes them, 7 years, and they want to trade. And, trading, you could do this from anywhere in the world once you learn it. But there's a lot of hard work it goes in to make it. So again, I get distracted. Apologies for that. What I'm saying is, whichever moving average you use, it doesn't matter. You have to learn how your moving average reacts. So I know how the moving average will react on the 4-hourly, how it will act on the hourly. This is key to me. So 20, 21 doesn't matter. I'll tell you the ones that I use. I use 20 here, and the red one is 20, and 200 is green. These are my two main moving averages. I've got two little ones, a yellow one, as you can see, and then a blue one. So yellow one is a 12 moving average, and I use this one when the market is going really quickly. When Bitcoin starts breaking out, it's not going to give you a perfect pullback. That's when I use the yellow one. And the blue one, I sort of use it for trend. It usually stays above the blue moving average when the trend is up. So those are the moving averages I use. So hopefully that answers your question, George. So I'm going to have a look at XRP, and then Lynn Beaumont. Have I pronounced it right? I'm not sure if I've pronounced it right. I'll have a look at Matic and Polkadot. I love Polkadot. I think that has a big future, and I'm looking to buy Polkadot. Polkadot, Wi-Fi, and Uniswap are some new coins that I'm going to look to buy. Whether I get stopped out now, I'm going to look to buy again. So XRP, guys, XRP is just in a downtrend. So I'm not really interested in buying. And, fundamentally, do you guys like XRP? Are you fans of XRP? Do you like it? Do you hate it? If you guys just put a comment below, like or not like. For me personally, again, I don't really want to talk too much about fundamentals. There's lots of difference between Ripple and XRP, which makes me question it. And there's questions of Ripple selling XRP. there's now that Ripple are buying back some XRP, so this could be a good time to buy. I'll make a special video on my thoughts on it fundamentally. From trading point of view, I want to get a hourly or 4 hourly close above 26 cent. If I get that, I'm going to look to buy with stop loss below 23 cent. And if we just do a spike and close, I'm going to exit. So that is a trade I'm looking to take. If we break below this daily moving average, I think XRP goes a lot lower towards the 20 cent. So that's my thoughts on XRP, and as long as the trend is down, I'm not interested. You know, against BTC, you'll make more money just by holding BTC than trade XRP. So that's my thoughts on XRP. Let's have a look at Lynn's question on Matic. Matic is a pump and dump coin. You know, they're people that own Matic or the founders of Matic. Literally, you know, pump and dumped. They got accused of it as well. You could see I made a video here before it was dumped. Again, people might say, did I make that video? Go watch that video. If you don't believe technical analysis work, if you watch that video, probably give you a bit more sense. I did that before and after. So yeah, Matic founders were selling Matic at these prices, and there's proof that, you know, money was going out of their addresses. So it's not very nice what Matic did. But having said that, it's coming into this red zone. This is, I think, Indian based coin, if I'm not correct. People that are live can let me know. Is Matic, I think, yeah, it is an Indian based coin. I'm not sure what that means. A box and a cat. I'm a bit confused, Veronica, but yeah, so Matic from this zone could pump. So if I get if you get a trade setup from 40 to yeah, Indian Dev again. I'm not saying anything bad about Indian Dev. All I'm saying from what happened in Matic, you know, there's lots of clever people. I know a project that I'm interested in. I mean, this is a very initial project, and it's an Indian crypto project that I really like. So anyways, this is where I'm looking to get into Matic. So if you like Matic long term, look for anything bullish, you know, big volume spike, anticlimax, head and shoulders, trend change, and above moving average, all that nice stuff that I teach. Look for a trade around there. So that's my thoughts on Matic. LTC, I mean, I really like, I talked about LTC a lot. You're trying out all the stickers. Okay, try some crypto stickers. See if you can get Bitcoin sticker. So Litecoin, guys, it's looking good. I watched my video on Litecoin. Last video I made, I've not made a Litecoin breakout video in a while. I made one recently since it was looking quite bullish to me. This is the zone I was looking to buy, and then I just missed it on the hourly pullback, but it had a really nice move up. So Litecoin, what I'm looking for now is this daily moving average to hold. I really don't want it to get below $50. I'll tell you where I'd buy Litecoin. I would love Litecoin at around 30 to 20 bucks. If it comes here, I'm gonna buy your Litecoin. So Jay, you're asking for Litecoin. I like Litecoin myself. If it comes here, I'm gonna buy your Litecoin off you, because I think usually I said I bought Litecoin at $50 here. If it comes around this level, I'm gonna look to buy some Litecoin. If it doesn't, I'm gonna let it go. So that's my thoughts on Litecoin. Litecoin BTC is forming this pattern. You know, I'm not sure if it's gonna break. I think this will potentially break out next year. If it doesn't break out, I'm just gonna carry on waiting. If Litecoin breaks out above there, I'm gonna look to buy Litecoin next year. We can have this huge rallies in Litecoin we've seen, and against Bitcoin as well. I trade Litecoin and cryptocurrency altcoins to make more Bitcoin, and that is a trade I am going to look for if that happens. So that is a trade I would be looking for. What are the other questions? TRX, I don't like TRX. Watch my I don't like Justin Sun. Trading it, I love trading TRX. TRX for my trading strategy works really well. I did this breakout live And again, lots of people joined the group after that live. And then I sold it as well. I posted when I sold as well. I recommend you go watch his videos. These are all free content. Again, you don't have to, pay me. I think this is this video. You can see by the amount of views I got. This video pumped quite a lot. I made this one before TRX pumped. Now it's coming to this red zone. It really needs to hold this red zone. So this is a zone I would look to buy. If it starts breaking below here, I won't be interested in Tron at all. Justin Sun will find another way to pump. Next time, I don't know if Tron, if cryptocurrency is whatever is the flavor of the month, Justin Sun will do it. So before it was the platform coins like Cardano, they were trying to do, get involved with platform. Then it was, the interoperability. Tron did interoperability. Then Ethereum did dApps. Tron did dApps. Then it was DeFi. Tron did DeFi. Tron even, then it was Uniswap. Uniswap was an amazing, this pump that we had, it was amazing. You could have made life-changing worth of money. I think we could be getting another one. The rallies that we had in some of these coins were really good earlier in the year. If we get another one, it would be amazing. But yeah, then what happened? Tron did Uniswap. Tron is trying to copy Chainlink. I think they've opened something called Just Link. So I'm sure Justin Sun will always find a way to pump this coin. So wait for news to come up and look to trade. One trade setup, people say what to buy. Do I actually trade? I'll share this trade setup with you. I'm going to post it in the group. In our group, we're going to take this. Zcash has got some news. So if Zcash gets an hourly close above 480, I'm going to look to buy a Zcash and buy into this 4,000 level. This would be a really nice trade. Zcash got halving news. Wow, we've got 44 concurrent viewers. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. See if we can get to 50 today. That would be amazing. That's my goal. So if you guys are enjoying it and want me to do more live streams, I'd really appreciate if you can hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything. It means a lot to me. I'm losing my voice a bit. I might have a quick drink and then carry on. Thank you, Pablo. Thank you, Ludicrous. So it depends on the market. If you ask me a coin, this example, so if I look to buy Zcash above there, so I usually wait for a trade setup, so a breakout, a trend line break, and then I have my stop loss usually below key support levels. I don't want to have stops where everyone else's stop is, then you get stopped out. Target is resistance. To me, this is a big resistance. This is where the price got sold off. Thanks, Veronica. Again, all you guys that are watching, really appreciate your support. And it's great that I've got 40 viewers. I know it's not a lot. People get hundreds of viewers. But for me, I really appreciate every one of you guys watching. And if I can help one person make money, and one thing I say in my group, there'll be people say, join my group, you'll 1000x. One thing I say is I want you to not lose money. Most people lose money in trading. And my first job is making sure you don't lose money. Then we can think about making money. Most of these people are not traders. They make a video, Bitcoin emergency. I try to copy some of the videos that those guys make. Thank you. I'm not even going to attempt to say your name. I will. Apologies if I say your name wrong. Pito Sigenjuk. Apologies if I said your name wrong, my friend. So that's an example of a trade I took. I could share with you another trade that we did live is in Ren. And people say, oh, are you showing this after or before? I'll show you one trade that that we took recently. And again, I took a loss as well, so I'm not saying all my trades win. So this is what I posted last week, when altcoins were looking up. These are some of the coins I posted that are pumping. You can see the green button is the target stop loss, and this was posted on 6th of November. And we had a really nice pump in Ren. We can see Ren breaking out. Where is Ren? You can see Ren hit my target, and this is, as you can see, 10th of November. I'll have a look at Ren now to show you, how trading works, where you put your stop loss, just to give a live example. So this is where you can see where the chart was. It rallied 25%, and I posted when I took profit in it as well. Taking profit on Ren. Celsius, yes. You must, Suresh, you must watch my um, videos. I like Celsius. Guys, I will have a look at all your coins. Don't worry. I'm gonna be here live for another, let's say another 20 minutes. I'll be live. I'm happy to look at all your questions. So Celsius is a coin that I traded myself. This was a trade setup we took. Let's have a look at Celsius BTC. And once it broke above there, I'm a bull on this one, Celsius. There's one person, I didn't trade it as well. There's one person in my group that's traded it. It's looking good. Let me get Celsius BTC up. Where's Celsius BTC? Yeah, look to buy again. These are some buy trades I shared in the group. I was looking to buy above there. It hasn't given it. I'm going to look to buy it. I mean, this one, you can look to buy it on a 4-hour trend change now. This one, the way the coin is better to buy breakouts, and you need big stop losses. Again, it's not a one size fit all. The way this coin is, if you buy it, you need a wide stop loss. So if we break out above there, I would have my stop loss there. Thank you very much. We've got 50 people watching. This is amazing. 53 people. Guys, we might be able to get that 50 likes. We're at 38 likes, guys. See if we can get to 50 likes. I'll do another live stream. So yeah, Celsius is a coin that I'm trading. And Ludicrous, thank you, mate. Thank you very much for support. And Jay as well. 58. Wow. Lots of people are watching me. That's amazing. I feel a bit honored. It's great you have people watching, this many people watching. Again, I'm not going to get too excited. I'll just still have my 50 target, and I'll remember all of you guys that I might give you guys stickers or something for you guys that are supporting me. Anyways, someone's asked one coin, Kyber Network. Sam's asked it loads of times. Let's have a look at Kyber. It's KNC, isn't it? I think KNC is Kyber Network. There we go. I reviewed this before, my friend. So there's the trade setup I posted. I didn't take this myself, but trend change is going up. You wait for a setup and you... Oh, Veronica, thank you. This really means a lot to me, guys. 56 people watching, 41 likes. I need 9 more likes to hit my target. So, and don't double tap it, guys, because if you double tap it, you'll unlike the video. So don't do that. So this was my trade setup. I posted it again, posted in the group. If it breaks out, pulls back to 50%, 618, look at how much it pumped. You would have taken half off at, this resistance, 5%. I would have taken another half off. And then when it trend changed, I'd look to exit around there. So this is my thoughts on Kyber Network. It's looking okay. I want to see it hold now. If it breaks below 4,500, it's not bullish. It's just a little pump like this before carrying on lower. It needs to... You entered at KNC. Let's have a look at Kyber USD, my friend. So I said the daily moving average, you see. Let's help out our friend Ludicrous. He's been really nice to me. Yeah, it can drop a lot lower, unfortunately. There is support level here. This is a very tough one. I don't want it to get below, this support level. I really don't want it to get back below this. It's looking okay. I wouldn't sell it now. So where's it? I mean, the way I would do it is, the way I would trade it is, if it stays above this line, if it starts getting below, so if it does this, Ludicrous, I'll look to sell. As long as it's above, let's say 70, I'll have my probably stop loss below 75 cents. And as long as it stays above 80 cents, I'm bullish on this one. Thank you, Ovidian. So Ovidian, let me answer. So, okay, let me have a look at Jay's RSR. I think Jay's been watching this live stream. Don't trade with margin. I don't know if you're part of the group, Ludicrous, but please don't trade with margin yet. Jay's giving me one more like. Have you got another account, Jay? If you have another YouTube account, you could give me another like. But yeah, I'll have a look at RSR. But then I'm going to answer Ovidian's question because I think that will help a lot of people. So RSR, let's have a look at RSR. So again, this was one trade I posted. Again, you can see 4-hour pullback. It didn't hit my target. I took half off. This is a trade I took in the group, and it started to go up, broke out, pullback, nice pump. I took half off at 16%, and then I got stopped out on the rest. This is a nice trade we took. This is not looking bad, RSR. So who asked about RSR? Jay. So Jay, if we get a green candle on the 4-hour time frame above this line, I would look to buy it with a stop loss below 88. Target 115 and see if it carries on. It's not broken out, it's just going sideways. High time frame trend change would be above this red zone. If it breaks above this red zone, then I'll look to buy more. At the moment, it's just going sideways. So that's my thoughts on RSR. Let's have a look at, and RSR is a DeFi coin. So someone asked about DeFi coin. This is not looking too good. It's breaking below. It's breaking below. It tried to break out. It couldn't break out. So it's not looking very good. So Suresh, I think altcoins will go up a lot again. There's lots of coins. I shared with you one that I posted in the group that I'm trading, Ren, and there's lots of coins that I'm looking to buy. XTZ is a coin. It's not a DeFi coin, but I really like this coin. This has dumped. I mean, I was really long on XTZ. I was buying here. I was looking to buy here as well. I thought it was gonna be like Chainlink breakout. Once it broke below this, what I do is I draw these bull bear lines, and if it starts breaking down, I just tell people to sell. So in my group, there's lots of people trading, and I tell them, give them bull bear lines. So this was my bull bear line in Wi-Fi, and once it sold below my bull bear line, see how far it went down. Another one is Cardano, and this one is from YouTube videos. You can go watch this. This is not after the fact. This was my bull bear line in Cardano. I went long here, and I said, as long as it's above there, I'm long. When it went back below, I exited, and I said, if it gets back above there, I'll look to buy. We did not get back above it, and look at what happened. It just carried on going down. So that's sort of how I look to trade. So DeFi coins, if they start getting up, so Uniswap, Polkadot, I think, what's her name? Lynn's been asking Polkadot loads. So let me look at Polkadot. Again, I like Polkadot. I think this coin will be quite big. This will have a big move up in the future. I'm looking to trade it, and I've shared some buy setups where I'm going to look to buy and hold. Yeah, I'm looking for this one. I'll trade this one in the group. This will be an amazing time. People buy it here. I'm going to look to buy it there with my trade setup and make my money from it. Wow, I'm at 48 likes. Can I get 2 more likes and hit my target of 50? That will be amazing. I've only been live for 53 minutes, and yeah, getting 50 likes would be amazing. 2 more likes, guys. I'm sure you can help me out. So let me answer Ovidian's question. So this is Big Andres answered the question for Ovidian. Buy Bitcoin. If you're completely new, thank you very much. 52 likes. Amazing. Sammy, J, Big Andre, you've been watching from the start. 54 now. Amazing. I'll definitely do another live stream next week, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button as well, so you get notified when I go live. It should be here just below my video. You should see a notification button. I'll do another one for you guys next month. So this is what I'm looking at for DOT. So answering Ovidian's question, if you're completely new, just buy Bitcoin. This is, I've got a video in our group where I talk about my investing and trading strategy. And first thing I say is just buy and hodl Bitcoin. Thank you, Veronica, Ludicrous. You guys have been watching from the start. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much. 55 likes. I'm not even going to go for 100 likes. I'm going to do another 5-10 minutes, and I'll round this video up. Oh, Sammy, you're going. Goodbye, Sammy. Hopefully you enjoyed the live stream, and I'll see you in future live stream. Thanks for your support today. So yeah, first thing I'll say is buy Bitcoin. That's the first thing. Buy and hodl some Bitcoin. And if you're completely new, and I think Bitcoin's gonna do a pullback, you know, it could be here, like I said, or here. There will be ludicrous. Yeah, thanks for your support. Join the Telegram and Facebook group. Ludicrous, it'd be good to have you. You seem knowledgeable as well. You'd be a good person, good person for the group. So yeah, if you've got what I'm looking for Bitcoin is, guys, buy some Bitcoin over here. Just buy more, buy a little, and then see if it carries on. Sorry, I forgot your name, George. I'll try to remember your. I'll remember. See if try me at my next live stream. See if I can remember your name, and Jay as well. So Ovidian, what I will look for is buy some now. So if you want to, let's say, invest $10,000 or £10,000, you know, buy 1,000 now. Or if you £1,000, you know, buy $100 now. If you get a pullback, you know, I'm gonna look to buy around this level. If it comes here, this will be a buy zone for me. And look for setups like that. And I think Bitcoin will go just to. You know, if it could carry on higher. And one thing I share is, and one of my personal stories is, I didn't buy Bitcoin. I didn't buy Bitcoin here. I didn't buy Bitcoin when it broke out of it. I was asleep. You know, I thought it was going to pull back. I didn't think it was going to break out, and I missed that trade. So I didn't. And you know, Bitcoin could do something like this if Donald Trump or, you know, China's Xi comes out. You know, China's Xi came out here and said. I was in Amsterdam when this happened. I've told this story before. I was in Amsterdam and Bitcoin pumped about 30%. I was, you know, not in a sober state, let's just say, in Amsterdam, and it just pumped, and I just somehow managed to walk outside the club and sell my Bitcoin, and I was up 25% because I knew that, you know, nothing keeps pumping like that, and it literally gave everything back. And then, you know, I could be asleep, and it could just pump. No one knows what trading, I'm a trader, and I don't know, you know, what's going to happen. I've been looking at charts for 7-8 years, and, you know, I don't know what's going to happen, what's going to go up, what's going to go down. Ed Kuhn, is good to see you, my friend. Ed's been, I think, watching me for a while. He's been trading with me in the group for ages, so good to see you, Ed. No problem, you're late. If you have any requests, let me know, Ed. Yeah, and that was the story of in Amsterdam, and I somehow managed to sell. And, you know, the next round, my friends were like, next round's on you, Rocko, because, you know, I just sold. And, you know, I don't usually talk about how much money you have. That's not, you know, that's not me. But, you know, it was just a really funny thing for me to talk about. But yeah, again, Bitcoin could just pump now and I could miss it. So it just needs to, you know, hold, be in good trades, and just hold. And that's one of my things. And if Bitcoin goes to zero, it can easily go to zero. If oil can go to zero, Bitcoin could go to zero, and I'll lose a lot of money because I've invested a lot in Bitcoin. But I think Bitcoin will go a lot higher in the future, whether it's next year, whether we get another pullback, we just go sideways this year. You know, I think Bitcoin will be a lot higher. And with what's going on in the world, with, you know, I don't want to talk about, you know, the pandemic and everything, I think Bitcoin will go a lot higher in the future. And I don't want to put a number on it, but some Bitcoin I won't sell until we get to, you know, 100 maybe. But yeah, we can talk about that another time. If that happens, I'll probably take you all to Amsterdam with me and have an amazing night. Yeah, those are things that scares me. You know, there could be new virtual coins. I think a virtual dollar, you know, virtual yuan. Who knows what's going to happen? But, you know, Bitcoin is decentralized. You know, people can't create more Bitcoin. You know, if someone creates a dollar of new virtual coin, could they make more? So, yeah. Yeah, I'll have a look at Theta. So I'll start rounding off the live stream, guys. It's been amazing. You know, we have 62 people watching now, 60 likes. Amazing. I wanted 50, I got 60 likes. I wasn't even sure, you know, initially it was just 10-12 people watching, and, you know, it just gives me excitement as well as more people watch. So, you guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer your questions now. I'll be live for another 5-10 minutes. Theta, let's have a look. Theta is a coin that I love fundamentally, and I posted this trade live as well. You can watch this video, Theta breakout. When was this? 7th September, I think. If you watch that video, you'll see this is a coin that I traded. I've been stopped out. I got stopped out here. These are the trades I posted. I've been stopped out here when it broke down, and it's just been going down sideways. I need to see some action. I really don't want it to get back below 3,700. I love Theta, what Theta is doing. Theta is one of my coins that I love fundamentally, and I want to get into Theta. You know, Theta, BAT, Chainlink, those are coins that I like. Even Uniswap. Uniswap is a coin that I love. For fundamentally, for US dollar, I want it above 50 cent. I don't want it to get back below 50 cent. This is where the 618 Fibonacci is, around this level. I don't want it to get back below this level. So any tips on trading, join my group. I'm joking. Tips on trading, guys, study yourself. So study the markets, learn support and resistance. Don't, think that there's a holy grail in trading. Don't think you can just, buy a course and be, rich. Don't, but think that there's an indicator that will make you money. I've done it all. Study yourself, invest in yourself, read books about trading psychology. A couple of books I'll say, Trading in the Zone is an amazing book. What's the other book called? Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. And buy a technical analysis book, and then start small and see what you're doing wrong. If you have 10,000 pounds or 100,000, trade with £1,000 and see if you can make money. And if you can grow your account, then you can get into it. How to select coins, this will be another hour-long video. Read the project, read the white paper. How many of you guys on the live stream have read the Bitcoin white paper? Just put I read Bitcoin white paper. There's 60 people watching, and I can bet you not even 10 people have read it. And you guys are thinking, investing in Bitcoin. People invest in XRP, they don't even know the difference between Ripple and XRP. So just comment how many people out of 60 people have you read the Bitcoin paper. See, Ed's been trading with me for a while, and you guys not have read that. So it's really important to do your research. So research the company, speak to people, think about it yourself. Look at token metrics. So look at how much. That's fine. You're admitting it. I had to read it a few times. Another thing is white paper. If you what was I going to say? I've lost my train of thoughts. I think I need to end the live stream and have a drink soon. But yes, look to read white paper. And Ed's been trading for a while and he's been doing really good. But you can see even he's not read it. So it's really important to do your research. Do token metrics. So how much company, from token metrics, I mean how much of a coin do they own? So how much coin do the the owners own? So for Matic Network, they owned a lot of coins. So when they pumped it, they dumped the coins. So you can see what happened there. So it's really important to actually do your research, and it takes ages, guys. You're not gonna cryptocurrency, they could all go to zero. I trade forex a lot. That's sort of my main market. But I love blockchain, and I'm not very smart at trading. Big Andre, I'm not on Discord. If you want to follow me, follow my Twitter, join my free Facebook group, follow my YouTube channel, and if you're interested in a group where we've got lots of people trading every day, you can check it out for $30. See if it's your thing for a month, and if not, I'm sure you learn a lot. You get access to my course as well for the month. So introduction to my course. So if you're interested, you can check it out. But yeah, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. I've really enjoyed it. I'll try and do this once a month on YouTube. I do live stream 3 to 4 times a week with the group, so people that are part of my group know it. Posting every day. There's other really smarter traders, people that are trading their coins that they're trading. So it's really a good group. You can check it out. No worries, Ed. Hopefully you guys are doing well. So yeah, last question. Can you buy XRP without leverage? So Haley's asked a question. Yes, you can. Go to, if you click my video, you'll see I can post the exchanges I trade on. But if you go below my YouTube channel, Haley, a YouTube video, you'll see there's coins that I buy. So Binance, Coinbase, bitmex. On Coinbase, I'd recommend if you're new, just go on Coinbase and you can buy XRP on there. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching. I've got my 50 likes, which is amazing. hopefully over time I could, you know, maybe get 100 likes in the future. That would be amazing. But anyways, not getting too over my head. 60. Our goal was 50. We got there. People that watched from the start. Special shout out to Veronica, George. I remembered your name, mate. Jay, Ed, Lynn. People that watched from the start. Congrats to you guys. And then yeah, I'll just have a quick review of Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin's not moved. We took a trade at the start of live stream. It's not really moved. I actually entered on the 5-minute pullback. I can show you where did I get in? Was it here? I think it was this pullback I got in on, or this pullback, and then it's just gone sideways. So the trade idea would be if it gets back above 16,000, I'm going to look to long it. As long as it's above 15,200, I'm interested in it. If it gets back below 15,200, I think there'll be potentially a bigger pullback. So anyways, guys, thank you very much. Share the love, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. Check out our educational group. You can trial us for a month. There's a special offer as well if you're interested. If not, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for supporting. I really enjoyed it, and I'll definitely do one next month. So make sure you turn on the notification button to get notified. So thank you very much. Have a great day. I'm going to go have a drink, and I'll see you guys later. Take care, guys. Good night.